from Smile Studio. Smile Studio is not just a dental clinic. We believe in a holistic transformation, in a full makeover. This month, on the 14th of January, 3 to 6, we are holding a workshop on mental, physical and oral well-being. In physical well-being, we are using artificial intelligence, we are using pulse tracking. It's a software which will show you which organs are not working, what is your aura. Aura is, in medical terms, an electromagnetic field. It will give you an insight on what foods suit you. There is a highly renowned Dr. Ridwana Sanam, who's going to be speaking on it. So Smile Studio partners with all these people to give you a better you, to transform you. We have Deepika Kumar, who's going to be speaking on mental health and wellness. She will be speaking on the workshops you should do to get a better peace of mind, more meditative. So there will be workshops, be prepared for it. Do those workshops, it will really help you improve your mental strength. We also will give you an insight on oral health, wherein there are different bacteria which are all the time present in your oral cavity. So what they do, what is their role, how you can improve the pH of your oral cavity, how you can improve better digestion of your food. So in all, these bacteria also contribute to your oral breath. Your bad breath comes from particular type of bacteria. So we need to address those issues and what you can do to make yourself a better, more fitter human being. We also have several skin related queries, and we also have a whole range of lasers available. So this 14th, we must see you 3 to 6 at Smile Studio for a better you. If you believe in transformation, come here.